it's me here, your teacher, and my good students, Wanjiku and wambui. Today we are going to learn about birds, just a few birds. Because last time you noticed that my students didn't get anything. So today we are only going to learn about 5 birds.
5 birds, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Their names in Kikuyu. Not learning exactly about them, but just their names in Kikuyu.
Okay.
Yes. So we start with the first bird.
Okay.
A hawk.
Hawk.
Mm.
Hawk. What's the name?
Hogo.
Huh?
Hogo.
Hogo.
Hogo. Hogo. Hogo.
Hogo.
Mm.
Hogo.
It's very hard for you, eh? Hogo.
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 Falcon.
Falcon. Falcon?
Is that reggae?
Reggae.
Do you know what's a reggae?
Reggae.
When those 2 chicks, the chicks are, when the ninis, the chicks, do you know what do we call it in English? No, in our own way. When the 2 chicks, when you have the small chicks, what happens? There's a nini that comes and picks them. Reggae.
Reggae.
Yes.
So I think an eagle does that a
No,
lot.
no. It's the falcon.
Falcon.
Yes, vulture.
Vulture.
Message.
Ihuru.
Huh?
Ihuru.
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 Yes.
Ihuru.
Ihuru.
Then the crown.
Crown.
There is the crown.
Crown.
Igogo. Igogo.
Eagle.
Here in Mombasa is the, what is it?
Kurabu.
Yes, kurabu. What is it? Another name?
Kunguru.
Yes, igogo.
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 Yes, igogo.
Eagle.
Then there is the
That's
eagle.
the crown.
Eagle.
Eagle is a dairy.
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 Yes.
Dairy is an eagle.
Then we
Dairy.
have the
Dairy.
is it a guinea fowl?
Uh,
Guinea fowl. That is gaga. You know it, eh?
Gaga.
The guinea fowl. That beautiful one, a big back with a long neck. Beautiful. It's like a turkey, sort of.
oh,
It's what, wambui?
Gaga.
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 I don't think we are going to learn more about that. Do you think those ones, I want you to learn them over until next time when we meet. Those are the first questions that I'll be asking you.
Okay.
For now, tell me, what's a hawk?
Hugo.
Falcon?
Reggae.
Vulture?
Vulture.
Vulture?
Ihuru.
Ihoro?
Ihoro.
Ihuru? Not ihoro, ihuru.
Ihuru.
Crown?
Igogo.
Igogo?
Igogo.
Igogo?
Igogo.
Eagle?
Dairy.
Not dairy. What are you buttering for? You people of Mombasa. Dairy.
Dairy. Dairy.
Yes.
Dairy.
Guinea fowl.
Gaga.
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 Gaga bute. Ushaisikia?
Gaga.
Have you ever heard someone telling you kuona gaga bute? You've never heard?
No.
Where do you come from?
Gaga.
Mombasani tutoka pwani.
Oh, you come from Pwani. Oh, that's so
Gaga.
bad. Because okuona gaga bute, it's that on a guinea floor. Yani a guinea fall, that on a gaga. Can you imagine? Do you know how beautiful it is? Have you ever seen it attacking a Steve's? It's like a turkey. Then you pluck off
Oh my.
the feathers. How will it look like?
It will look
How will it react?
it will be very, very.
Yes, so no kona
irritating.
gaga bute. Our parents used to tell us no kona gaga bute, and as in anakuscare because if you pluck those feathers from it, we okuona gaga bute we
okwana gaga bute we.
Bute.
Bute okona
Bute
gaga
to.
bute we.
Fute. Bute.
Bute.
So now, have you learned something today?
Yes.
What? Oh, you
Gaga,
just storytelling here.
No, eagle is dairy. Then
Gaga.
ile ingine kwa nini huri.
Huri ni nini? Ikoro.
No, hugo ni hawk. Alafu kuna ile rwege. Rwege ni
Falcon.
Falcon. Rwege ni falcon.
Igogo.
Nini?
You are looking at it.
Sasa naangalia crown.
Crown, yes. Dairy.
Eagle is out because you have a friend called the eagle. The eagle, you are dairy.
Guinea fowl.
Guinea fowl is Gaga. Mama Lady Gaga.
So now,
Gaga.
today, you've taken time to sing for our viewers. But today you've not sung.
No, we can sing them.
Which one? A Kikuyu song?
Which song? There's a song. Sing for us one song that we know.
That you know.
We can sing a sentence from any famous song that you know, and then we translate it.
Oh, yeah, that's
Like for example, Yasamido.
Let's do it in another video.
Yeah, that's the next video. For now, it's a bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Till next time.
Don't forget to like,
comment,
hit that
subscribe button.
hit it again.
Yeah.
Tell your friends to
Hit the subscribe button.
No. Wanjiku, this one has forgotten to say subscribe.
hit the subscribe button.
And that's a bye-bye.
Yes, share. And if you're new here, we are very thankful. Continue sharing, continue coming, and returning to our videos. Thank you.
Bye-bye.